guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Clickbank sign up problem. So there's actually a few ways for you to fix this. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to make sure that the problem is not on our browser. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right of the screen. That's where the three-dotted icon is. From here, you want to go to settings. Now under settings, you want to go to privacy and security. And from here, you want to click on clear browsing data. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to clear it for all time. And here you want to disable browsing history. And from here, what you want to do is you want to clear your data. So don't worry, your browsing history will not be deleted from your browser here, and you'll be able to still look back into your browser history. What we are deleting here is our cookies and other site data. So your sign-ins to other websites will be deleted here. So you just need to re-log in if you've been automatically signed out from your account. So you're also clearing out our cache images and files, which are the temporary files that we have on our browser here. So basically, we're cleaning out our browser for us to get started on signing up in Clickbank. So once you've done that and that doesn't work, then you might want to consider visiting their support here. So what you want to do is you want to actually file a support ticket. So let's go to the specific website here. Let's support.clickbank.com/hc/n-us. And from here, go to the article here that you see on my screen. And from here, you want to go to file a support ticket link here and just click on it. From here, it's going to open up a submit a request form here, and you just need to enter the following details and the summary of your request. Now from here, what you want to say is you're unable to actually sign up into a Clickbank, and just basically explain your current situation right now. And from here, just need to submit once you've completed all the details here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.